I'm ready to quilt the dark green center square of my block. The first thing I want to do is to stitch in the ditch. I'm going to use a Handy Quilter mini scallop ruler to do this. Since I'm using a sit-down long arm machine, it's okay to put a long arm quilting template right against the foot of my machine. If I were working on a home sewing machine, I would simply draw a line in and trace it with my machine. I would not have a ruler make contact with the foot of my home machine. So I'm going to align the 1/4 inch notch up with that seam. That way my 1/4 inch foot will push my needle directly into the ditch. Like so. And I'll do it again. And a third. And a fourth. Now that I've stitched in the ditch, I'm going to stitch in my continuous curve, which is simply an arc from this point into the block and meeting at this point, around and around the block. To make this accurate, I'm going to use a tool. This is a Handy Quilter oval size C2. I have ruler grip on it, so it'll help push the fabric. I'm going to put the ruler, again, right next to the foot of my sit-down long arm machine, and I'm positioning it so that there's a 1/4 inch between this corner and the template, so that my foot will have clearance and my needle will hit the corner. Perfect. Let's do again. The fourth side. To do the second row of continuous curve, I'm going to use a larger size oval, which is a Handy Quilter oval C1. It is the mate to this one. They come in a set together. I've also put ruler grip on here to help it stay in touch with the fabric. I left the 1/4 inch at the end so my needle will hit the corner. I'm going to repeat this around all 4 sides. And the last one. The end.